Have you ever felt a reply from a company was robotic? You're not alone. Automation in online business can either save time or kill connection. The challenge is, how do you automate your business while maintaining the human touch? Let's unpack this with clear strategies for busy creators and founders like you, who want to avoid burnout. Automation can be amazing. Think auto emails, scheduled posts, and instant checkouts. But what happens when customers feel like just a number? Or when your brand feels generic? You can keep the soul of your business by automating thoughtfully. Here are some key stats to consider. Small business owners spend up to 23% of their week on tasks that could be automated. Furthermore, businesses using marketing automation see a 14.5% boost in productivity. However, 71% of consumers would leave a brand if communication seems robotic. So, while automation saves time, bad automation can cost trust. Your advantage lies in automating while retaining a human connection. Let me share a quick story. Once, I scheduled 30 days of motivational posts using AI. They were flawless but lacked engagement. One client messaged me, asking if I was alright. That's when I learned automation should enhance you, not erase you. I revamped my workflow to balance efficiency and humanity. Here's how you can do the same. To automate effectively, let's look at specific areas. For email marketing, consider using ConvertKit or MailerLite. Add your voice to the first line, like "Welcome to the Circle." We don't spam, we send love letters in code. For sales and checkout, tools like Shopify Flow can upsell after purchases. You could include a thank you video or a handwritten message image, even if automated. When it comes to social media, tools like Buffer allow you to schedule posts, but only 70%. Leave room to react to trends as a real person. In customer support, platforms like Tidio or Zendesk can be useful. Set rules that let a bot generate the first response, while a human follows up in 24 hours. Automation should communicate, "I'm not a bot. I see you and will be back soon." Now let's shift our mindset. Some believe automation feels lazy or impersonal. But it's essential for protecting your time, creating consistency, and enhancing experiences. You're discovering how to scale your business while retaining a human touch. This is leadership. How do you know if you've automated too much? Signs include forgetting customer names or replying with generic messages. If no one's engaging anymore, it may be time to reassess. Remember, automation should feel like delegating, not disappearing. Now, let's outline 6 steps for seamless automation. Map out tasks to identify what technology can manage. Choose tools that resonate with your voice, and write templates that feel personal. Regularly review your automation, it needs care. Solicit feedback from your audience to maintain warmth. Finally, keep showing up live. Emails and bots can't replace you. Here's a quick to-do list for you. Audit your manual tasks. Start with one tool, like email or chat. Write an automated message that sounds like you. Schedule weekly check-ins with your system, and reconnect with 3 customers in person this week. Summing it up, automation is your ally until it turns on you. Use it to create space for your voice, build systems that enhance your humanity, not just your output. I built my business to feel like home, not a robot factory. This isn't just advice, it's a lesson I learned the hard way. Let technology assist you, but never allow it to overshadow your unique voice. That's what people genuinely seek from your brand. Don't hesitate. Start transforming your online business now. Subscribe for more insights and take your first step towards effective automation today.